Hello, today we're going to do pizza dough. So we're going to need 5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 packages of active yeast, which is about 2 tablespoons. And we are going to need 2 cups and 1/4 of water at 105 to 115 degrees. So make sure you have everything ready, everything measured, and we're going to begin. This is chemistry. If you don't put enough sugar or salt, nothing's going to react. You need sugar to feed the yeast. Yeast like water and moisture in order to activate and grow. So right now we're going to heat up 2 cups and 1/4 of water. While we're waiting for the water to heat up, turn your oven on at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. So my oven just went on. It's 200 degrees. I'm going to warm it up for 5 minutes and then turn it off. What I'm doing is I'm trying to make a warm environment for the dough to rise and double in size or triple.
Okay, my water is at 115.
115?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to open the 2 packages,
Okay.
put it in the water.
But now my oven is gonna be warming up for 5 minutes, right?
For 5 minutes only at 200 degrees.
That's what my timer is. So my 2 packages go 118. Is that okay?
I'm sorry?
I'm at 118.
That's fine. Don't put your yeast yet.
I put my yeast in the water, right?
Correct.
Alright, so if I'm at 118, I can go ahead and put my yeast, even though it's not 115, right?
Just wait 1 minute.
Okay.
This is pure chemistry. If it's too cold, it's not going to react. If it's too hot, you're going to kill your yeast.
My yeast.
Okay, so I have it now. I'm going to measure it. I need 2 cups and 1/4 of the water. I'm going to put it in my bowl.
No, just put the water back. It's dangerous. Okay, so what do I put? The water? Okay, 15.
Remember, 2 cups and 1/4. No more than that.
Oops.
If you put too much water, it's not going to happen. It's going to be too mushy.
So if I put it my yeast already in 2.5 cups, can I pull some out?
We're going to have to put a lot of flour in it to make it more, to dry it up a little bit.
Can I pull out some water from it?
No, then you're going to pull the yeast out. So just leave it alone.
Oh no.
It should be fine. We're going to add more flour to yours.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
Sorry, I don't have scissors. Okay, so I just put my yeast. We're going to wait 3 minutes. And within 3 minutes, we're going to add the sugar, the 2 tablespoons of sugar. What we're doing, we're giving food to the yeast to activate, to grow. So it's 310. At 313, I'm going to give it sugar. Turn your oven off, please. Okay, so let's put the sugar now. The 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it a little bit.
I'm sending it to other pages right now.
No, cook. Pay attention because it's going to be flat again.
Okay. So, question. Okay, so has it 2 minutes been out if I can put the salt now?
Now we're going to put the salt, and we're going to put the olive oil. So right now I'm mixing my my yeast, my sugar, my salt, and my olive oil. So I have everything here together, and it's lumpy. So I'm going to use my whisk and mix it. I don't know if you can see this. So you want to make sure that you dissolve the lumps of the yeast. Perfect. Now I'm going to get a wood spoon. Where's the wooden spoon? A wooden spoon. And I'm going to pour my dough in it.
Oh no, I don't have a wooden spoon.
Doesn't matter, use your hands then. Just dump it in there. Or use any spoon, something hard that you can mix. You're going to add only 5 cups.
Well, remember I had 2.5 cups of water?
Not at the moment. Let's see what happens first.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to mix that. So in a few minutes, I'm going to start my sauce. I have everything ready here for once we're done with the pizza dough. So we're going to use the tomato sauce, tomato paste, basil, olive oil, the oregano, dry oregano, salt, garlic, pepper. But I'm going to add rosemary in time because I love it. So my dough is it's already combined with the liquids, and it looks like plaster. So it's a little on the wet side, which is fine. So what we're gonna do, that's fine. So, like, see, it sticks together. Can you see that?
It's not all sticking together.
It's sticking together. How is yours, Sonia? Use a spoon on your hand. It doesn't matter because we're going to use the hands now.
So I have this on the bottom that still has.
Can you pick it like this, Sonia? And look, I'm picking it. Does it stick to your finger or does it fall off? It's not bad. Add 1/4 cup of flour to it.
Quarter?
1/4 cup. Just a little bit for now. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the dough for 7 minutes. So put flour in your counter. And we're going to pour the contents here. Do not clean this. Keep it on the side. I like dirty pots. Okay, so are we ready? Sonia, you disappeared.
No, I'm sorry.
I don't see you. Okay, so I put my flour on the counter where I'm going to be working on. I put flour under. Are you with me, ladies?
Regular flour?
Regular flour.
Yeah, regular flour.
Regular flour. And then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on top of it also. You have to move a little quicker because we have to start folding. Look what I'm doing. We're going to start folding for 7 minutes. This is the fun part. So what we're doing here is we're trying to combine everything together evenly. and we bring in the elasticity back into the dough. So right now it's sticky, but the more you work on it, it's going to get more elastic and more heavy. This is not going to affect your dough. This is going to actually make it more puffy and more soft.
How much flour do we need?
Just sprinkle some on top of it so you can work on it.
Okay. No, go wash your hands. Yeah, we'll wash them. Here's one help you.
Maribeth, for how long do you work your dough?
What was that?
For how long do you work on your dough?
Well, I have a mixer with the dough hook. Like 5 minutes.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
So see, I'm going to add more flour again because it's starting to get sticky. But this is more fun, Maribeth.
I have the stress. Oh my gosh.
Once power goes away, you're gonna have to use your hands. So get used to it, girl.
This is fun.
If years after years happen again,
I have one more episode.
how do you like it?
Oh, Daniel died.
I know, but it's good, isn't it?
It's very good. It's very scary. What show is that?
It's called Years After Years. Go ahead, Maribeth. I'm busy. You can share.
Years and years. Years and years. Where do you watch that at? HBO. Okay.
Give a little info on the Years After Years.
Oh God. What is start?
From the beginning.
Who's Trump person?
It's futuristic. Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
It focuses on the future, and it's
Do I need to add more?
if it starts sticking, you have to add more flour. Yes.
Okay.
Whenever it starts sticking, you're gonna add more flour.
Okay.
But work on it like you hated it.
Yeah.
Don't go soft. Like really work on it.
I mean, like, this is like a fun lunch break.
Well, it's lunch for you over there. Yes.
It's my lunch break.
Okay, so it has been 7 minutes for me. I'm gonna make the dough into a bowl.
Okay. Is it 7 minutes for us too? Or
I believe so. I think you're 1 minute behind me. So make it into a bowl.
Okay.
Now your dirty container, this one, you're gonna add a little olive oil to it. Now I can remove this.
How much olive oil do we put?
Just a little splash, like less than a spoon.
Yeah, 1 more minute.
Just one splash, just a little bit, and you're gonna cover the bottom. You're just gonna rotate it. You don't want to drench it in oil. So there is a pot. Let me wash my hands. Actually, no, I have this here. I can use this. I'm gonna pick up the dough, and I'm gonna drop it here. So now I'm going to cover and put it in the oven for until 5:30. So now take your dough and put it in the warm oven. Make sure it's off, or you're gonna have plastic with your pizza.
Okay, so once I put it in the bowl, right?
Put the plastic wrap on it.
So can it be any kind of plastic?
Plastic wrap, or you can put a towel over.
Can it be this front? Oh, there you go.
A towel. It could be that, or I'm gonna put both, the plastic wrap and the towel.